inside every atom in revolving orbits for 15 billion years, yet never colliding with each other. Who maintains such a real?
Yeah, so when we think about the electrons going around the atoms, historically persuaded people that quantum mechanics is true. If you think of the electron as just this little billiard ball orbiting around, like the way around the sun, the electron moves, radiating energy away, and eventually lose all energy, and it would fall into the nucleus. If we have a satellite on Earth, none of them stay up there if for all eventually out of energy and burn up the atmosphere. So there was a big question in people's minds, why doesn't that happen with the electron orbiting the atom? And they to be quantum mechanics that the lowest radius of the electron around the atom has a certain wavelength corresponding to the electron from the nucleus, and it simply doesn't go any lower. So in sort of musical analogy, if I'm playing a musical instrument, one lowest note can't go any lower. That the resonance, and that with electrons, atoms. So you could say that the system of quantum mechanics in the electron table is really another place God in the so that allow us to exist. World, actually, we couldn't. It would just fall nuclei. Is extremely important is Heisenberg's with scale over which apply. It's too large. Weird quantum mechanical effect. Too small. And so, quantum mechanics tuned that things to be